from Blue Line Futures. Ben Rand. Ben, thanks for being on. All right. Where are you? Oh, Elwood, Nebraska. Okay, that's good. I was about to say something about out of Chicago because I'm so used to taking Bill and Mr. Slope. All right, let's get to this. Probably really doesn't matter what we say because it's all going to change after the report tomorrow. But maybe what are your thoughts going into it?
I would love to know the last time we traded a 5% range in corn was 5 years.
Yeah.
18, something like. Real tight ranges being traded going into this report. Consolidation, which I think everybody really expecting in it. It's really a remake of last month's report. 6-7 days of consolidation here, trading tight ranges, looking for direction. Some favorable forecasts really going into August, and excited to see what the report brings us. It's always a big question. What do we see? Where is it going to go? Average analyst trades 175.5, I think, on the corn. So the one that everybody has their eyeballs on is obviously the corn, because we just don't know what the variability that has come out of some of those early summer, late spring drought conditions in eastern Nebraska. Some stuff really eyeballs on Illinois, and then northwest Iowa's got some pretty tough pockets as well. So looking for some direction on this report and trading that 5-cent tight range. There was a day where that was the norm. The last 2 years that has not been the norm. So it's exciting to see what tomorrow brings.
All right. Well, I guess the only other big question I would say is. Expectations-wise, what do you feel about demand? I think that's one of those things that would they screw with it tomorrow, or do you think they'll wait till September?
Well, the demand structure is poor for corn. It's undeniable. We just haven't seen it. There was nice numbers that came out today on some of the export report numbers that came out a little bit above expectations, so that was a pleasant change of events. I think that maybe was a surprise to everybody, and there's support here in this, call it low 490s, high 480s range. But you're right, what you brought up earlier, the $5, we just cannot seem to get back through that. I would expect a somewhat of a change. We know the USDA likes to leg into these things slowly, and it would be surprising to me, I guess, if we didn't see something done here with the export side of things. Not a big change, but something. I think we got and in September, obviously, we have to address the export demand problem.
Right.
We have to. It's got to be done.
Well, if we get low enough, maybe it'll get better. Who knows? All right, stay right there. We need to go away. We got to pay some bills. We're going to come back and talk more livestock after this.